If you don't know what it's supposed to do, or you're trying to learn something or see how something's going to react, you just keep going back. You just keep trying. You keep running the logic and then seeing what the data tells you it's doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and run through it again. I think we were on 3, so this will put us at 4.
Okay.
Oh, you're not running through it. Yeah, you gotta forward through it.
So in this one, you go step.
Hit yeah, you're already in step. Hit forward. Yep. No. Yep. Okay. Forward. You should be at 4 right now.
Yeah.
Okay, just forward.
I'll go forward again.
Yep, keep forwarding.